Hi, I'm Tracy Cullors on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to reduce swelling in an injury. In this case, we're going to look at a knee that's obviously swollen. We can tell by comparing it to the uninjured knee. Next, we're going to elevate it on a pillow. So gently lift it up, slide your other one over, and get it higher. Next, we're going to use an instant cold pack, such as the kind you find in a first aid kit. Go ahead and where the arrows are, crack it, and then shake it up. And that activates the action of the cold pack. Wrap it with a light washcloth and place it on the injured area. If you don't have an instant cold pack, you can use a gel pack from your freezer. If you don't have that, you can always grab a bag of frozen vegetables.